welcome back to my channel, Craft That. Today I'm so excited because I'm going to be showing you how to make DIY paper squishy blind bags. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make the squishies inside and the paper blind bags. So I'm so excited, so let's get started. The blind bag category for all the things that you can get inside, I'm going to be doing treats. So there's going to be a bunch of different little treats inside, so yeah. First, I'm going to start off with making the blind bags. So I'm going to start with drawing a rectangle shape for the blind bag. You can make it small or big, and you want two identical rectangles. So I'm going to try to make them identical as I can. Okay. That looks pretty good. And one side is going to be the front side, which is, I'm going to just make this one. This is going to be the back side. And now I'm going to make this, because a lot of blind bags have these little cut lines to cut on the line to see what's inside. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm also doing it on the back side here. Now we get to decorate. So, yeah. Finished decorating the front and the back. So I wrote over here off of the back side, collect them all. I drew a little barcode and I showed all the stuff you can get. There's going to be ice cream, a lollipop, a macaroon, and a cake. And then on the cover, I wrote, what squishy will you unpack? And squishy treats. So, yeah, if you want to make multiple blind bags, which I'm probably going to make 2 blind bags today, you can copy this if you have a printer, copy another one, and I'm going to copy one more, so I'll have 2 of these. So I won't have to redraw everything. So yeah, I'll be right back with another copied one of these. So I just copied another one with my printer, and so now I have 2 of them, so I can make 2 blind bags. And now let's start actually making it into a blind bag. So first we're going to cut this out. So I'm just going to cut it all out. So I just cut them out, and now we're going to tape them together. So this one's a little bit bigger, but that's okay because I can kind of cut off the extra if I need to. But yeah, now we're going to tape it, except don't tape the top yet. So I'm just going to take a piece of tape. I'm going to do the sides really quick. And then we're just going to tape it. So this is the back, and this will be the front. Going to tape these together. Okay, and you're just going to tape it closed on the sides, the bottom, but not the top. Here is little blind bags. So I taped this, both the sides and the bottom. So you can see here's the front and here's the back. And then as you can see in the top, you can put stuff in it, which is going to be where we're going to put this, the squishy for the blind bag. And then we have this one, and as you can see, put stuff in there too. And yeah, now we're going to work on the squishies that's going to be inside of these. So on the back of the blind bag, it's just all the ones we can collect. And in one of these blind bags, I'm probably going to make the ice cream. So I'm going to start with that. So I'm going to start by drawing the ice cream out on paper. So yeah. So I finished drawing it, and now we're going to put tape on it just to make the squishy shiny. So I'm just going to put this on there. And now we're going to make the back side of this, and it's basically going to be exactly the same because the back side of an ice cream cone just looks the same. Okay, so I just finished making the back side and did the same thing and put tape on it. Okay, now I'm just going to do another piece of tape. Just like so. And then we're going to make the side of the ice cream cone to make it 3D. So let me grab something real quick. So here's a paper squishy I made before, and it's basically just this side to make it 3D. This is just a paper squishy I made before. And yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. This can be a little tricky because of the shape of this, but yeah. If you're making the ice cream cone like me, you're going to want to do this pattern. So it's going to be like the cone, then like the frosting and sprinkles, the chocolate sauce. Then I'm just gonna do like, just kind of like some ice cream. Then I'm gonna do chocolate sauce, sprinkles, and the cone. And I forgot, you actually do want sprinkles on this little square too. Then you're gonna get some tape and place it on. And then you're gonna cut it out. So I cut this out, and now we're gonna cut out the ice cream cone. Okay, so I just cut them out, and you can see that the cone's a lot smaller than this. So you want to cut it out the length of the cone. So yeah. So I'm probably gonna cut it like about there now because it's too long. So you can just cut it if it's too long and stuff. And then you can, that's still a little long. Okay, that should be good. Yep, that's good. And then you want to tape it there. So you're gonna take a piece of tape, go there, go into there, and oops, that's still too long. Okay, so just cut it the length of it. Okay, there. There we go. Then I'll cut off the extra there. So a little bit extra. And yeah, so we're just gonna go around like so. Just put some tape here so these are connected, and you want it, it's gonna be like that. So you want it, then you're gonna curve it up, just like that, and then you're gonna curve it there. And right when you get to this square right here, you're gonna cut it right there. And then we're gonna, so then you're gonna take your tape again, and we're just gonna tape it down. So we take it, and then we're gonna tape it down there. And then we're gonna take the cone part here, and you're gonna reattach it by just taking some tape, going like that, taking some more tape, just like so, and taping it there. And then you can see the extra, you're just gonna cut that off, and then you're gonna tape that together. So I just made a little bit of extra because just in case I needed some, but it turns out that this was just enough. And yeah, then we're gonna tape on the back here, but you're gonna leave a little hole to stuff it. So you're gonna tape this on the back, tape the back side on. So I taped on the back side, but I left a little spot right here to stuff it. To stuff it, we're gonna be using cotton balls. And you're gonna like kind of fluff it up, the cotton balls, or rip it apart, so it turns into more like fluff. And then where your opening is, you're gonna stuff it with the cotton balls. Okay, so just gonna stuff it in. And I need a lot more cotton balls to fill up the inside, so you're just gonna rip apart some more and stuff it. It's that easy and that simple. So it definitely needs more. And just stuff it in. It's kind of hard to stuff it if you have like a small opening, which I kind of left too small of one, but it can still stuff it. And if you kind of see, oh no, some stuffing is coming out of there, after we're done, we have to tape it there and make sure all the holes are closed up. So then after you put in some cotton balls, you can test it. I think mine needs a little more stuffing. So if you need more, get some more cotton balls and stuff it. Okay, so just stuffing it in, but don't overstuff it, because if you overstuff it, it might burst the paper. Mine definitely needs more. Okay, I added like 3 cotton balls in there, I think, and now it feels really nice. So then you're going to take your tape, and we're going to close up that hole with the tape, just like so. Okay, now if there's any other holes, like right here I see one, take some tape and close it up, because you don't want the cotton ball to be, the cotton balls to be coming out when you squish it. And so just tape it up. And right there too, want there to be no holes in there, because it's not fun to squish it and then all the stuffing comes out. Okay, so there you go. So here it is. It's super squishy and I really like it so much. I think this turned out adorable and super squishy and cute. So yeah, now we're gonna package it up and put it in the blind bag. Next up is you're gonna take a little plastic baggie, and this is gonna be inside the blind bag is gonna be another little baggie where your squishy is gonna be in. So we're gonna take your scissors and cut your baggie into a small little like rectangle shape thing, and you want it to fit your squishy inside, and mine does fit. So now we're gonna put our squishy in here and tape all the sides shut. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take some tape, and you can see how this side's open. We're just gonna tape that so this side is not open and the squishy cannot fall out. Okay, and then the squishy can go inside, just like that. And take another piece of tape and you're gonna fold the baggie over. It's like fold the top of the baggie over and tape it. And you'll have to open the baggie up to see get out the little toy. And then you're gonna take the little blind bag and you're gonna take your squishy and put it inside here. Take a piece of tape that's as long as the top here and tape it shut. Tape it shut, tape it closed, and yeah. So this is the little blind bag, and now there's like a mystery surprise inside. Oh no, that tape job was not very good. So I'm just gonna kind of squeeze it, pinch it a little bit. Okay, there. That's a little bit better. And now you can see the little blind bag. And these are all the choices that you can get inside. And we know that the ice cream cone is in this one, but you're gonna have to wait for my unboxing video where I'll be opening up these to see what I'm gonna put inside this one. So it can be any of these. And yeah, so that was it for this video. I am excited for the next video because I'm going to be opening up 2 blind bags. This blind bag that I've already made in this video and another blind bag, but you will not know what's inside this one because it can be any of these. So I hope you guys are excited to watch my next video where I'm going to be opening the blind bags up. But yeah, that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe for more. and bye.